this is just a little teaser. So Geraldine Hegarty is a Ms.DIVA Master Lash Stylist in training, and you can always frame this and pop it up in your lash room just for the time being. The mannequin head is, I just unbox it there, is fitted with real human hair lashes, and the eyelids are very, very realistic. So it is the best way of starting off your training online. And you know, usually in the Master Lash Academy, in the Grand Parade, the students would be using my mannequin heads, and then their models would come in the afternoon. But at least now this is yours for life. It's fantastic. You can do set of eyelashes on the mannequin head, remove them and reuse the lashes over and over and over again. So that's going back in the box now. By the way, I disinfected my hands before putting my paws all over the products.